whether it's chilly weather or whether it's not, any time is a good time to make a good bowl of chili. And I've been making Bear Creek darn good chili for several years. Now, I told y'all already about Bear Creek's vegetable soup, and it's delicious. Comes in the same kind of package. And some of y'all have already said that you've made it and you intend to make it again because it is so good and it's so easy to make. Okay, this is 8 servings, but I'm going to add a whole bunch of stuff to it. There's a recipe on the back right here, and I'm going to sort of go by this, but I'm not adding ground beef because I don't buy ground beef. I'm going to do it like it is, it is, but without ground beef, and add a few things that I want to add. So here's what you need. You need a medium onion, can of Rotel, which is diced tomatoes and green chilies, and y'all know I use this a lot in things that I make, and I like the mild. They also have it in hot. They have it in original, which to me is hot. Tomato paste, that is 12 ounces. I'm going to add some black beans, but I'm going to drain them because I like a lot of beans in chili. And I'm going to add a can of whole kernel sweet corn. And that's my ingredients, except I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder and maybe some garlic powder. So let me show you what I'm doing. I've just kind of chopped up my onion. I don't have to have perfect little pieces. It doesn't have to be just great. Put a little bit of olive oil down in there. And I'm just going to kind of cook these till they're just a little bit tender. Alright, before I add the other ingredients. So I'm going to get those done and I'll come back and show you some more. Okay, it's all done. Doesn't that look good? Oh, it smells wonderful. Smells delicious. Here it is. Got all those great vegetables in it. And all that great tomato flavor. Have it with crackers. That is delicious. Now, by the way, once again, it's Bear Creek darn good chili. It says 8 servings, half a gallon, but because I added extra things to it, it'll certainly be more than 8 servings. And the package is less than $3. And most all stores have it. Walmart was cheaper than any other store. I noticed in Walmart it's less than $3. Amazon has it for a little less than $12. That's really a hike in price, isn't it, y'all? Anyway, I hope you'll try it. Darn good chili. And it is. Okay, everybody. Have a great day. I will see you soon. As always, I hope God is good to you today. Bye-bye.